Today on Knuckles TV, we're going to be talking about the Aero Evo 2 full titanium exhaust on the 2018 BMW S1000Rr.
Alright, kinfolk, you heard it right. We're going to be talking about the Aero exhaust for this 2018 BMW S1000Rr, my son's. And this here, I'm going to let him tell you a little bit about the exhaust itself and what all had to be done in order to put this exhaust on. Because we were thinking about doing it ourselves, but because of the bike and the cost of the bike, I told my son, I said, I don't know, man, I don't know if we should do it. So we got our buddies over at Motorcycles Unlimited. Mr. Patrick over there helped us out and hooked it up, man. And but again, I ended up telling him again before we took it over there, man, you sure you don't want to do it? We could probably do it ourselves, but I'm glad after Patrick told us everything, we did not. So let my son tell you a little bit about this exhaust.
On the 2018 BMW S1000Rr, I got the Aero Evo 2 full titanium exhaust header back with the shorty. I guess all Evo 2s might be shorty, I don't know, but I know some of them come long, but this one's right after the peg. And in order to do it, they had to drop the radiator, or take the radiator out and then drop the oil cooler. So luckily we didn't do it, but it turned out very nice.
Very nice. Alright, kinfolk, so with this exhaust being full titanium exhaust, the bluing of the piping is amazing. It looks really cool, man, and it's got a carbon fiber tip on it as well. The only thing I do not like is the yellow Aero label. I do not like that. What do you think of that, Bubba? He says he's gonna take it off, so he's probably gonna end up taking that off, but that's the only thing I do not like about it. Other than that, man, the exhaust is amazing. Sounds freaking killer on this bike. What I'm gonna do now is play a clip of the stock exhaust and do a cold start on it and let you listen to a couple revs, and then I'll give you a listen to this here. Kinfolk, before we get all this started, I just want to give a caution to all the headphone users. Please beware. Alright, so Bubba ended up just getting home from work, so the bike is hot, so it won't be a cold start, but I'm gonna go ahead and give him to start it up, man, and give you a listen of what it sounds like. Of course, the sound on here probably won't do it justice, but gosh, this thing sounds freaking killer. Go ahead, Bubba. Now we're gonna give it a couple revs. Alright. Kinfolk, I'm telling you, that thing is freaking gnarly, man. Sounds amazing. So, he also has the, what tuner do you have on there?
The Power Commander, I think it's a 5.
Power Commander 5?
Yeah, I think so.
So, Mr. Patrick over at Motorcycles Unlimited ended up doing the tune and everything, man. The other really cool thing about this damn exhaust, man, on this bike is, well, let me show you. That's fucking badass. Now that there was put on, it has launch control?
It has launch control.
So the bike has launch control, man, and that's what the bike was on whenever he just did that right there.
It also has pit limiter.
And it's got pit limiter. So that limits the speed you can get when you're going, or what?
Yeah, you hold the starter button, and then I have it at 4,000.
Yeah. And
then it kind of just holds it. It doesn't look like that or nothing, but kind of just holds it at that RPM.
All right, that RPM. Now what we're gonna do, man, we're gonna head to a secret spot, and I'm gonna get Babushka to go ahead and do a couple flybys. y'all enjoyed that, man. It was just a quick little video to show you the new exhaust my son put on his bike, man. And stock exhausts, they suck. Right, Babushka? No fun with a stock exhaust. So I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. Until next time, much love, much respect. Babushka?
Knuckles out.
Knuckles out.